Hey everybody, what's going on? GameChanger77 here, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be building a streaming computer. Now the performance of this streaming computer will depend on your network, but assuming you have a capable network, it should be able to run a 1080p stream at 60 frames per second without much difficulty, or really any difficulty at all. So that will allow you to get your high quality streams without having issues. So we have the motherboard here. It's got a nice foam pad on the bottom of it too. This is an ASRock Phantom Gaming 4 X570 motherboard. So now that we have the motherboard out, we will be installing the CPU. It's a Ryzen 5 3600 thermal paste.
Thermal paste with a fingerprint design. It'll work better that way.
Not mine.
I know who that is. Alright, get that bad boy on there.
Okay, so next up we are going to put in the RAM. The memory we have for this computer is from Corsair. It is Vengeance LPX. And we have 16 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz. And according to the instructions, we have figured out to put them in A2 and B2.
Now this particular board, it has a diagram right here. It tells us which one is which right there on the board.
So, if we take it out of the packaging, we have the screws and the standoffs to put the motherboard on. Here we have a 500 gigabyte NVMe SSD drive from Western Digital. Probably this slot, the M.2. We have the EVGA Supernova 650 G3 Gold power supply. Here we have the actual power supply. So this here will go in this section. Our graphics card is a GeForce GTX 1650 SC Ultra. There we go.
We're going to work on some cable management here and be right back.
The computer is now nearly finished. We just have to download and install Windows 10 and set up Streamlabs OBS so that way we can stream on it. But that is all for this video. If you did enjoy, then please leave a like and subscribe for more awesome content like this, and I will see you next time. Bye!